April 11, 2021. I'm going to do it from a very special deck which is called the Angels and Gemstone Guardians. This is a beautiful deck which talks about your emotions around the new moon and what are the messages for you from the guardian angels. So let's begin. I'm going to select two cards from this deck and okay, I'm going to close my eyes. Okay, two cards have been selected. Okay, Sagittarius. Okay, there is Angel of Truth and Honesty and there is Angel of Clarity. So the Angel of Truth and Honesty is asking you, are you holding back something you need to say? The truth about a certain matter needs to be spoken. Honesty is important at this time. Have the courage to speak up with grace. Loving words have the power to heal or improve a situation. So definitely, Sagittarius, you're holding back something from someone around this time, whether that's personal or professional. You need to speak up the truth because the Angel of Truth and Honesty says that it is the time to be honest. Otherwise, if you don't be honest at this point of time, it's only going to mess up things in future. So you have to be honest. Don't think too much about it. If the angels are asking you to be honest, that means that whatever happens next will be guided by the angels, whether that's meant to be or not meant to be, right? So do that, and the angels have positive affirmations for you which you need to speak in the morning and at night, a couple of days before on the new moon and after the new moon, to help smoothen up the situations for you. And the positive affirmation is, I live my truth and honestly communicate what is on my mind with ease. I effortlessly find the words to express my truth and speak eloquently and lovingly. I surround myself with people who are not afraid to honestly express themselves. Beautiful, right? So this positive affirmation is going to give you the courage to speak up the truth if you are hesitating from it, because it's only going to make situations better. It's only going to draw you closer to your destiny. Whether that's something you think, if I will speak up honestly, that might end up my relationship. If that relationship is not meant to be, that will end. If that relationship is meant to be, that will work out. Yeah, if there are fights or quarrels or whatever, the angels are saying they're guiding you. Speak up. Okay, now the second is, okay, there's a mosquito, oh my god. The second card is the Angel of Clarity, who's asking you, are you trying to gain clarity? You're definitely confused about something, you're definitely hiding something. Do things seem hazy and dark right now? You don't know what to do, right? Is your path unclear or uncertain? That is exactly what people feel when they're hiding something from someone, or if they have been dishonest to someone, right? So this is exactly how you're feeling because of what you're hiding or whatever you have lied about. So what the angel has to say is, go within to see the positive in all circumstances. Focus on the matter at hand. Maintain loving thoughts surrounding your current life situation. Whatever is going through, if you're thinking too negative, if you're thinking someone has done something, open up, confront them. Maybe you are wrong. Maybe you're thinking too much, because it says that maintain loving thoughts surrounding your life situation. So you have to maintain loving thoughts. You can't think negative. The positive affirmation that the Angel of Clarity has for you, which you have to speak in the morning and at night around the new moon, is, I see my life situation clearly and from a greater perspective. I am focused in all that I do. I am lovingly conscious in every action I take. I proceed with a greater understanding of what is required of me. Yeah, maybe there's something you think you are lacking and that's why you're holding back. Maybe there's something you think you cannot do or would not do. Whatever it is, you have to speak up. Speaking up, having a conversation with another person is only going to make things better. And I keep telling all my zodiacs, these days people are afraid of speaking up the truth and so scared of losing people that they mess up the situation by not talking at all, or by blocking people on social media, or by cutting all the ties and burning the bridges. That's not the solution. You have to talk it out, you have to work it out, just because there are plenty of options and plenty of sea fishes in the seas, like they say, it's still not worth losing something you want or something you deserve or something you really really love, right? So speak up, Sagis. This is the time. The angels are guiding you. And till then, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.